Hey guys, it's VertiBlocks Gaming here, and today we're doing another video on the Phantom Forces Valentine's Day update. I'm gonna show you a brief thing about what the gun is, and then we're gonna get into gameplay action. If you guys are level 100, good for you, because then you can actually use this. They added this in, the Dragunov SVDS. It is level 105. And if you want to buy it, it's almost 10,000 cash. I've heard it's good. It gets a PSO1 scope automatically. It gets angled grip. It instantly gets an under-angled grip, a flash hider, a canted delta sight. There's damage is 70 to 60. Fire rate 60, which is pretty good. Accuracy is halfway. Hip accuracy is very little. Sight accuracy is really good. Ammo capacity is 5/40. Fire modes is semi. It's basically almost like a machine. It's a semi-automatic sniper rifle. So let's get into this. Penguin, spawn on me. Oh yeah, you're on a different team than me. I forgot about that. I need to find you. You weren't holding your BFG, you dummy! Why? BFG is perfect. Ow, ow, ow. Well. Yes. Ow! I did not see that other guy in the crane. That was funny. Okay, so let's get over here. Okay. Ow! Why me, of all people? Why me? Go. Let me up. Get me on the crane, get me on the crane. Yes. Go up. Ow! There's a guy with a hectate! What level do you get that hectate? I need one. That thing's epic. Why is there a hectate number 2 but no hectate number 1?
Yeah, level 150.
16,000 for it? Are you kidding? I saw a but dude, there's also a whatchamacallit. This doesn't make that doesn't make sense for 3 reasons. Why is there a hectate number 2? Where'd the hectate number 1 go? There used to be a hectate number 1. I can't find it now.
There is no hectate 1.
Yeah, there was. Yeah, there was. G. Ow! Owie! Are you bleeping kidding me? Deploy. guy's a hacker. This guy's flying. Zachary guy. What the heck? Pedro has aimbot. I was night. He just shot me with 4 different thick walls. Machine guns are the only thing that go through walls, and they go through thin walls only. Ow! Ow! I've already died 10 times. Go, 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 go. Don't trust that hefty guy. Yes. Okay, got you. Got you. Are you kidding me? Stupid hectic man! He came for revenge when I killed him. Ow! You know what? Time for suicides. Weapon loadout. You people are in for it. You people are about to die. Weapon loadout, recon, deploy. No! Ugh! I fell off the crane. I spawned on somebody, I fell all the way down. Go, 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 get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. No, don't die, don't die. Please don't die, please don't die, please don't die, please don't die. Please don't die. Please don't die, please don't die. I need to deploy on you. Please don't die. Yes. Are you bleeping kidding me? I can't even move a muscle without getting sniped by that guy. Haha! Who killed me? Oh, I killed Pedro! Yeah! I killed him. I'm going for a tactic. Pig is out there. Please don't despawn. Please don't despawn. Please don't despawn. B. Yes! I got the hectic. Damn. Dope. Ow! Got him. Ow! Oh! I have 18 deaths. I'm pathetic at this. 18.
It's 105 on Lock the Hand with Howie. Well, I should save up level and cutting, then I might shut like I do. I'm not that thing on a cut, so. You ain't making a good deal on that one. You ain't making a street on that one, though. Then you got no.
Ow! Suckers! Did you just see how big of a streak I just got? Damn it! Yes! Are you kidding me? Oh, time's up. Oh my god. Yep. See you guys. If you guys are like the video, subscribe, turn on post